Breaking news, the sky belongs to the Philippines. The Philippine Air Force has just made history. In a dramatic and inspiring ceremony, top generals and local engineers pulled back the curtain to reveal the nation's first Filipino-made combat drones. For the first time, the skies above the archipelago echo not only with the sound of jet engines, but with the whir of homegrown technology. This is more than a show of strength. It is a statement. The Philippines has arrived in the new era of defense. All eyes were on the runway as the drones taxied out, sunlight gleaming off their sharp wings. Reporters and officials watched as pilots guided the unmanned aircraft through their paces, demonstrating agile maneuvers and pinpoint precision. The moment was electric. It was a promise that the future of defense is not just imported, it can be built right here, by Filipino hands. Beyond the spectacle, this unveiling marks a pivotal shift. The Philippine Air Force is stepping into the global spotlight, joining the ranks of nations able to design, build, and deploy their own advanced military drones. It is a major leap forward in protecting the country's sovereignty and interests, both at home and in the region. This is not just a new chapter for the military, it is a new chapter for the nation, one built on innovation, courage, and self-reliance. Modern battles are won before the shooting even starts. Technology, information, and speed now matter just as much as firepower. The best-equipped armies in the world use drones, sensors, and data networks to see the enemy first, strike harder, and respond faster than ever before. In this new era, having intelligent machines in the sky is a game changer. Combat drones do more than just fly. They can scout enemy positions, follow moving targets, and even launch precision strikes, all while keeping soldiers out of harm's way. Their eyes never tire, their reactions are instant, and their data flows straight to commanders on the ground. In a world where threats can appear from the sea, mountains, or city streets, drones give defenders a vital edge. For the Philippines, this matters deeply. The country faces complex security challenges, from protecting its vast coastline to responding to emergencies and disasters. Having local drones means being ready for anything, anywhere, at any time. The unveiling of Filipino-made drones signals that the nation is not just keeping up with the times, but is ready to meet the challenges of modern warfare head-on. The journey to this drone milestone was not a solo flight. It took the combined brainpower and dedication of the Philippine Air Force, the Department of Science and Technology, and a host of local engineers, scientists, and private firms. This team worked hand in hand, from drawing boards to airfields, blending military needs with technical expertise. Collaboration was key. The Air Force outlined what they needed: fast, reliable, and versatile drones suited to the country's unique geography. The Department of Science and Technology brought in top researchers and technologists, while local startups and engineers contributed fresh ideas and agile development. This was not just a government project, it was a national partnership. The process was challenging. Each test flight, each new prototype was a step forward. Failures became lessons, and successes built momentum. The result, a new generation of combat and loitering drones, built to Filipino standards and ready for Filipino missions. The lesson is clear: when the country's best minds come together, there is no limit to what they can achieve. This year's C4IS Technology Day was more than a showcase, it was a turning point. The event brought together leaders from the military, government, and private sector to witness the fruits of homegrown innovation. The star attractions were the new unmanned aerial vehicles and loitering munitions, designed and built entirely in the Philippines. Attendees saw live demonstrations of these drones in action. They watched as UAVs took off, hovered, and relayed real-time video feeds to command centers. Loitering drones, sometimes called kamikaze drones, circled above mock targets, waiting for the signal to strike. The capabilities on display matched those of leading foreign models. But what truly set the event apart was the integration of these drones into the larger C4IS system. This network allows seamless sharing of information across all branches of the military, making decision-making faster and smarter. This day sent a message: the Philippines is ready to lead, not just follow, in defense innovation. Unveiling locally designed combat drones is more than just a technical achievement. It is, honestly, a declaration of serious intent. The Philippines is investing in its own security and future. For decades, the country depended on foreign partners to supply its most advanced equipment. Now, though, it is building the skills and factories to stand on its own. This commitment is part of the Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP program. SRDP is about more than just hardware. It's about building a culture of innovation, training the next generation of engineers, and giving the nation the tools it needs to protect itself. Every successful drone flight is a step toward true independence. The world is watching, and allies and rivals alike are taking note of the Philippines' growing capabilities. By showing it can design, build, and deploy its own combat drones, the country is sending a message: it will not be left behind or left vulnerable in the race for modern security. This is a proud moment, but also a challenge, to keep pushing boundaries and setting new goals for the nation. For years, the Philippine military had little choice but to buy advanced technology from abroad. This approach had serious drawbacks. Imported equipment is often expensive, slow to arrive, and sometimes not suited to local conditions. Worse, relying on foreign suppliers means that sensitive hardware and software can be turned off or withheld at critical moments. Every shipment delay, every missing part, is a risk for national security. Sometimes political tensions abroad can put entire programs on hold. Repairing imported drones and aircraft requires waiting for overseas experts or costly spare parts, draining budgets and causing critical downtime. Local development changes the game. Filipino engineers can design drones that are tailored to local needs, built to withstand tropical storms, mountainous terrain, and unique operational requirements. Maintenance and upgrades are faster and cheaper, with parts and expertise available at home. By breaking the cycle of dependency, the Philippines gains not just better equipment, but greater confidence and control over its own future. Building combat drones locally is about more than military strength. It is a boost for the entire Filipino economy and national spirit. Every drone that rolls out of a Philippine factory creates jobs, trains skilled workers, and inspires young people to pursue careers in science and engineering. Local industries now have a chance to grow by supplying parts, electronics, and software. Universities and technical schools can align their programs with real-world defense needs, making graduates more employable and innovative. Even small businesses can join the supply chain, contributing to the nation's defense and prosperity. There is also a deep sense of pride. For generations, Filipinos have watched foreign-made jets and tanks defend their homeland. Now they can point to the sky and say, "That is ours." This pride is contagious. It spreads from factories to classrooms to city streets. By investing in its own people and industries, the Philippines strengthens not just its military but its entire society. The new Filipino-made drones are not just copies of foreign models. They are designed for the real-world needs of the Philippines. Loitering drones, sometimes called kamikaze drones, can circle above a target area for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This makes them perfect for responding to fast-changing threats in difficult terrain, from jungles to urban areas. These drones are equipped with powerful cameras and sensors. They can spot enemy movements from kilometers away, day or night. If needed, they can deliver a precise strike, limiting collateral damage and protecting civilians. Their lightweight frames and modular design mean they can be launched from almost anywhere: a runway, a truck, even a small boat. Filipino engineers have also focused on making these drones easy to repair and upgrade. New features, such as better batteries, smarter navigation, or advanced surveillance payloads, can be added as technology advances. This keeps the fleet modern and ready for new challenges. With these capabilities, the Philippine Air Force now has a flexible, powerful tool to defend the nation in any situation. The unveiling of Filipino-made combat drones is just the beginning. The real victory is in the partnerships that made this possible, between government, military, industry, and academia. This multi-sector approach is the foundation for a truly self-reliant and innovative defense sector. Looking ahead, the Philippines can do more than just defend itself. With proven technology and a strong local industry, the country can become a supplier of advanced defense solutions to its neighbors. This brings new economic opportunities and strengthens regional ties. At home, these advances mean greater security, more jobs, and a sense of national purpose. The Philippines no longer has to wait for foreign shipments or rely on outside expertise. It can chart its own course, confident in its ability to meet any challenge. This is the dawn of a new era. The sky truly belongs to the Philippines, and the future is brighter than ever.